Hello everyone, myself Omji GA. I am from GM University, Davangere, Department of Computer Science, Cybersecurity and Information Security. The course title is Operating System. The assignment one presentation on virtual machine demonstration and comparative analysis of operating system flavors under the guidance of Shweta ma'am, Associate Professor, Department of CY and IY, GM University, Davangere. Next, go to next slide. That is content slide. In this, we can see introduction, VM setup, OS observation, comparative evaluation, and conclusion. Let's come to introduction. Virtualization is a core concept in modern computing that allows multiple operating systems in run physical machine by hardware resources such as CPU, memory, storage, network, and this function experience. Creating the virtual machine, observing the operating system, how they behavior, and come resource utilization between host and the guest environments. Uh, First, open VirtualBox. Click on first icon. Next, go to downloads. Uh, Next, click on Windows host. Uh, let's download. Uh, let's install Kali Linux. Download. Click on the first image and download the small icon which is Kali Linux. After download, it comes to folder. Let's run. Next, next, yes, 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 next, next, install. Finish. Expect mode. Click on VirtualBox. Let's install packages. Oracle VirtualBox. Click on agree. New name as Kali Linux. Linux. Uh, Next, hardware. You want hard disk from CPU position. I make to 4000 MB. Here I am giving 40 GB storage. Next, open the let's open, finish. Let's install the file managing directional acceleration which is default. Click on OK. In the empty, you can add the drive link which is from your Windows. Create an Kali Linux base and add it. Everything is okay. Next, click on start. Click on start. Install the graphical install. Next, take on English. Continue. India. American English. Continue. Name it as Kali. Full name. I name. Continue. Add the password. Continue. Files. Continue. Change disco. Select S. Install the base system. Continue. Continue. Select S. 1. We can start the comments. For process management, we use P PS. You can check here. Next, AUX. That's you can see. For bash, you can use TOP. For Control C. For CPU progression, we can use HTOP. Yeah, CD progression. Next, CPU scheduling. We can use VM stat 1. You can see the usage and the for details and uptime. Uptime shows the current time. You can see memory management. We can see free H. Total mean swap used available. Next, VM stat. You can use memory swap, input output system, CPU progression, which are large used. We can install bash like vim info. You can see the usage, file usage. Next, you can go for fourth one, file system. In file system, you use ls, which is desktop my output. Ls 1. For music template documents. You can see file system user available movement. UNT. Next, we can go for resource handling. For resource handling, we use Firefox. So it is go to Firefox. Next, GDIT APK install. Use TOP. My system name is Indus. It's showing the username. You can use for comparative evaluation. We use cat space choice kernel debug schedule underscore features. caches the permission detained. For memory utilization, we use free edge. You can see. Uh, for process management and resource handling, we use stress CPU to time mode 20. You can see the comment. You can say yes password. You can add the password. It's working. Yes, it's running. Okay. In this video, we seen the all file system, memory management, CPU scheduling, and process management.